guys, in today's video I will be showing you how I achieve this beautiful pampas grass. Of course it did not come like this. We want things to look perfect when they come out of the pack, but this is something you truly have to be patient with to achieve that luxurious look. So if you're interested, stay tuned for that. Hey loves, in today's video I will be showing you how I achieve fluffy pampas grass. As you can see in the corner, the pampas is really flat and limb, and so I'm going to take it out just to shake it out and get whatever flurries needs to come off of it. This can get messy, so I do advise to always take it outside and do this part, of course. And it is a process, but you can see it's trying to come alive a little bit. So just take your time. This one was kind of breaking, but that's probably just from packaging because I fell in love with this pampas as it just got better and better every day.
Wanna say thanks for your patience. Big moves in the making. Yeah, my life's rearranging. Self-motivation and dedication. All work, no sleep, put your hate in. Here go a big demonstration. A little bit of my...
So here you can see that they're a little limb and they lackluster. Again, it does take time for the pampas to achieve the look that you want because it needs sunlight. It also needs to be blow dried. So like I said, it did take a couple days to achieve the look that I wanted.
Shit, I'm trying to see the nation. Monday and vacations. Fuck the allegations. I'm headed to the top. Constellations. And my game plan exceed all expectations. I'm trying to be the next sensation. Family money for generations. Yeah, then I know I made it. That's my inspiration.
So I wish I was told what temperature to blow dry the pampas on, but I started blowing drying it on low because I didn't want to damage it. I guess that's a fear anyone would have, that you think you're going to damage it. So I did start blow drying it on low, but I was not achieving the look that I wanted. So in this clip you'll see me slowly and low blow drying it, not achieving anything. Yeah, it looks dead. So the next day I was at Home Depot and I didn't even look at what kind of tree it was, what type of tree it was. I just saw it and it reminded me of me. It was braided. I've never seen that before. I think I have seen it before. I've just never seen it like in person. And I end up getting a money tree. So look. Pretty, right? Look at that knots and the ties on it. I like it. So this is like day 3, day 2, whatever, day 4. The pampas is looking so fluffy and gorgeous. It's gotten some sun, and I'll show you in the next clip how I achieve that. I just blow dried it on high. So everyone pampas looks gorgeous, but the secret is that you have to put it up against a wall so that the air can circulate back and forth throughout the pampas, and I would recommend blow drying it on high to achieve that look. So thanks so much for watching. I'll put a few more clips, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. So this really came out beautiful. They're really fluffy. Okay, no. Okay. It's really beautiful. No one is one color. They're different colors. And so this is what my coffee table is looking like right now. This beautiful pampas grass on it. Yeah. So, super wow, super fluffy. So yes, the pampas, it takes a good week or so to get it the way you want it. And even so, if you don't use hairspray, because I chose not to use hairspray, you would just have to continue to fluff it. But this one has been perfect since I placed it. They're super fluff. They get sun the most. And yeah, it came out gorgeous. And like I said, I'm probably gonna add like 5 more pieces here. It's 5 in this one, 5 or 4 in this one, and then 4 in the vase on the coffee table. And so guys, yeah, I love it. You just have to be patient. You have to blow dry it on high, upside down. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that vase that it's in, I DIY'd that. That was a total different color. I sprayed it. I painted it, and then I hit it with some stone rock spray paint to give it that rustic look. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to do a DIY video that I already shot on that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Big moves in the making. Yeah, my life's rearranging. Self-motivation and dedication. All work, no sleep, quit your hating. Here go a big demonstration. A little bit of my determination.